Salam dostor, we have a very special guest with us here today. So please tell us, who are you and why are you here?
Thank you. I'm Elise Partin. I'm the mayor of Casey, South Carolina. It's a nonpartisan elected position, and I am here in the Kyrgyz Republic on behalf of the U.S. State Department Speakers Bureau.
So, as you know, we have elections coming up in the U.S. right around the corner, and so we wanted to ask you a couple questions about democracy, elections, and local governance. So first question for you. Women's participation in local governance is a really important topic here in the Kyrgyz Republic. So why is women's participation in local governance important to you?
We need a balance of men and women in elected office. You know, we think about things differently, men and women do, and so having us all together to lead makes a better community.
So in November 17th, there will be local elections here in the Kyrgyz Republic. In your view, why is local governance important for democracy as a whole?
Oh, thank you. You know, local government is my favorite level of government because what happens at the local level is what affects our daily lives. It's what affects our communities. Are there parks? Are there sidewalks? Do we feel safe? All of those things are happening at the local level, and we can make a positive difference about them together.
Thank you so much, Elise. We're looking forward to the elections both in the US and the Kyrgyz Republic. Görüşкөнчө!